So, I want to discuss how you can actually get sales fast on Etsy, right? That's the golden ticket. That's what everyone's looking for. Every dropshipper wants sales and they want them fast, right? Your main goal is to reduce the time in between your sales. So, how do you do that? Well, it all starts with stage one. And what is stage one? Well, it's your prep, it's your preparation. You know, if you don't prepare your store and your research properly, you are never going to get sales quick. Okay, if you rush into everything, you overlook everything, and you go in with this very greedy and lazy mindset, then you're barely gonna make sales. You know, Etsy is a bit of a game of love. You need to give Etsy some loving, right? You need to warm them up, right? You need to get them get on their good side and do things slowly and get it going, and you know, show them you're nice to them, right? So you get all of your store looking good, all prepared, everything filled in, and now you have the perfect canvas, right? So then the other part of stage one is your research, right? Everything, 95% of the work in order to make sure you make money is your research, okay? You can have found the worst product, right? But the best SEO optimized listing of it you've ever seen. The UGC is incredible. Everything is just absolute, right? But you get no sales. And it could take months and months before that first sale comes in, right? Whereas on the flip side, you can spend all the time on the research, finding a really good product, right? Here's a product, it's in tune, it's in line, but loads of search results, not much competition. You know, okay, I've got it listed. Oh, I'm not that good at SEO. You know, very basic title, basic description, basic tags. The photos ain't the best. Oh my God, it's sold. Oh my God, 2 sales on it. It's only been up 2 hours. Oh my God, more sales. So it's all in the research. And obviously there is a balancing act because you can have good products, good SEO, sell like hotcakes, right? Terrible products, terrible SEO, no one's seeing it. The number one way to get sales quick is the products you sell, okay? And it doesn't matter how you do it. You're not going to have to wait days and days for Etsy to start pushing and they've crawled your store and they've indexed your listing. No, you don't have to do that. None of that. You get your listing up. If you use some of the tricks we give you in the Discord, it's discord.gg/Etsy. You know, we help with indexing quick. We help, you know, SEO. We have basically one of the best Etsy free courses there is, hands down. But it's a balancing act. Okay, so, you know, really good product, terrible SEO, you still get sales. Right, really good product, good SEO, you still get sales, right? It's all in that product. And one of the best ways to be finding those products is by using the data Etsy give you, right? When you are deep in the trenches, browsing Etsy, finding products, finding new stores, seeing what's going on, right? You can spot little needles in haystacks, right? And the more proficient you get at doing this process, the bigger the needle is each time and the easier it is to find, right? You know, you browse Etsy, okay, you found a new store, they're on 100 sales, they've only got 1 review and it was a fake review. They have 2 listings and it's all within a month and it's like, okay, I know this listing has been selling very recently, right? And it's done 100 sales and it's all for that one listing. And all of the orders are still in transit because there's no customer feedback, which means it was very recently started to take off, right? Why? Why is it doing that? Okay, well, it was because it was around this and it was that, okay, and then it was this and that, or was it this, right? Once you find products like that, you go for them. You get them sourced, you work on your own photos, optimize, do things better than them and get them up. Because chances are, if you found one store that's brand new, doing really well with a certain product, right? That's the exact stage your store is going to be. Your store is going to be a new store just like theirs. So what's the chance that when that product goes up on your store, in an even more optimized way, maybe you're undercutting them too, that you're going to take a huge chunk of their audience, their market. When people are seeing their products, they're also seeing yours, right? And with the fast growth they've had, you're going to get fast sales. And now imagine if you're running that strategy on 10 stores, 10 products a day, right? You can soon realize how quick it can all, escalate and snowball and build up, and sales come in left, right, and center across your whole empire just from using the hard data Etsy provide. Okay? So overlooked. People use all these tools, and Everbee's great because it gives you a lot more extensions and filters and whatnot to go along with the Etsy hard data. But when you're just browsing Etsy and you're going down rabbit holes with, okay, they're recommending these niches at the minute and these products and this category, okay, you go into that category and you find a new store that's being pushed, and it's it's extremely fun, right? It is extremely fun when you find a product and you go, this is the one, right? So if you want to get fast sales, you need to spend more time researching, making sure that it has volume, it has low competition, there's other stores that are new, exactly where you want to be, right? And then you set up really good logistical systems, you have streamlined processes, customer support is fantastic, and your stores are running really well, really smoothly, and you run at scale, okay? And when all of them come together and come to place, and you're so in synergy, right? It's all synergized. That's when you have so much success. And I promise you, it is as easy as it sounds once you know how. And knowing how is becoming a lot easier because of the resources we create. So if you want to get fast sales, you have to spend more time on your research, okay? It's all about balancing fast sales, longer researching, right? Quicker researching, longer it takes to get sales, right? Obviously, it all depends on your skill level. But that is basically the quickest summary I could give you on how to get quick sales with actually giving you effective information, right? Now, if you want to take action after this video, you need to spend the rest of your day researching those products exactly like I have just said.